area of a circle. After watching this video, I will be able to find the area of a circle. So first we need to know what is the formula. So the formula for the area of a circle is pi, which is just a number in our calculator, times the radius squared. Remember, area is all of the space inside an object. So in this example, everything that's this green, sea green color would be considered the area of the circle because that's all the space inside of the circle. So here we want to find the area of the circle. We're going to use the calculator's value of pi button. So I'm going to identify my information. I am given the radius because it's from the center to the end. So my area formula says pi, radius, which is 12, and that is going to be squared. So what is 12 squared? 12 squared is actually 144. So I am going to take pi times 144, and remember to use your pi button. And because we are actually finding the space in something, our numbers are expected to be bigger. So I have 452.38 rounded to the nearest tenth. So looking at that number, round up, so 452.4. Because we are talking about area, that means our units need to be squared, so miles squared. So now you try find the area of the circle below. So again, identify our information. So the 7.1 is our radius. So area is going to equal pi times 7.1, which is our radius, and that is going to be squared. So what is 7.1 squared? That is going to give me 50.41. So times 50.41. So our answer will be 158.36, and rounded to the nearest tenth means that I will get 158.4, which means the correct answer is B. Again, we want to find the area of the circle below, and we're going to identify the information given. So I have this line that's cutting through the center of the circle, and it goes from one end to the other. So this means that I am given the diameter. And the formula for area says pi times the radius squared. And I do not have the radius, I have the diameter. The good thing is that we said earlier that a diameter is basically two radiuses put together. So I can take my number 17 and divide by 2 to get the radius. So what is 17 divided by 2? It is 8.5. So now I'm going to use the 8.5 as my radius. So pi is equal to 8.5 squared. 8.5 squared would give me 72.25, and then I'm going to multiply by pi. So I will get approximately 226.98, and if you rounded to the nearest tenth, because of that 8 we round up, but because it's 9 we round the other number up. So 227 centimeters squared because we're talking about area. Now you try. Find the area of the circle below. So again, we are given the diameter. So I will take 21.6 and divide by 2 to get the radius. So I'll get 10.8. So now I'm going to plug into my formula. Area is equal to pi radius, which is 10.8 squared. 10.8 squared is going to give me 116.64. So then we multiply that number by pi. And remember to use your pi button in your calculator. So my answer is going to be 366.43, which means A must be my correct answer.